Hi Jaclyn, you don't know who I am, but I just really wanted to help you out because I noticed that your YouTube channel is on the default setting and I really want Ingrid to find your videos and cast you because you're super talented and I know it's gonna happen, but it is on the default setting, so I just wanted to show you how to customize it. So here's a couple things that I'm just gonna show you how to do. Here's somebody else's channel. I'm gonna show you how to do the channel art, how to do linking your Instagram and your website or whatever you have, and then how to add these extra tabs, this home, video, playlist, community, all of that, and then how to add a playlist under the Homes tab, and also your video that's gonna automatically play when somebody enters your channel and they're not subscribed. It's really easy, it's not really difficult, and I'm just gonna show you how to do that. So first of all, this is your channel. As you can see, you don't have all these tabs and you don't have a main video that plays, a channel trailer, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go to my channel and just show you what it looks like. So if you log into your YouTube channel, you're gonna go to Customize Channel, and then once you do that, you're gonna go under the Settings tab in the top right, and you're gonna wanna make sure that this switch, the customize the layout of your channel, is on. I don't know about all the other stuff, you can decide what you want on that, but turn on the customize your channel layout. Then you're gonna add under, for new visitors, a channel trailer. So this can be one of the videos that's already uploaded. Maybe it can be the letter to Ingrid or whatever you want, or it can just be a singing video. But you're gonna add that by clicking on the pencil in the top right and then adding a channel trailer. And then you can select from all of your videos, all of your uploads. Then you're gonna wanna add a playlist of all of the songs for October that you're singing. And you're gonna wanna title it something like To Ingrid or October Challenge or whatever you want. And to do that, you're gonna go under this add a section at the bottom, and you're gonna wanna make it a horizontal row, section, content, you're gonna wanna choose a single playlist, and then from your playlists, you're gonna find a playlist and you're gonna add it. You can make a playlist outside of this and then just add all of your videos to it as you upload them, or you can enter a playlist URL, but I think that you should just add your playlist. So just make a playlist on the side of all the videos that you're gonna do for October, or as you upload them, add them to that playlist, and then just link the playlist here. So you can choose from a playlist that you've already made. Is that confusing? I hope it's not. Then you're gonna wanna add your linked Instagram or website or whatever you want. So to do that, you're gonna click up here on this pencil under the channel banner, and you're gonna edit links, not the channel art, but edit links. So this should pop up now, and at the bottom here, it says custom links. So you can add a custom link, and literally all I did was type in Instagram, and then I went to my Instagram and just copy and pasted my link to my Instagram right here. And it actually automatically brings up the logo for Instagram and titles it Instagram. So you're totally good with that. If you wanna add a website, you can. So you can add a website. You can just title the website. So like if you just say website, and then you can add a website that you already have. I don't know if you have one, but that's what you can do. You can also add a description to your channel, which is gonna be under your About tab, and you can add a link to your business inquiry email. Now, you can add your email here, and I also recommend that you type it in your channel banner. So let me show you how to do the channel banner really quick. To make a really high quality free channel banner, you don't need to have Photoshop, you don't need to have any of that. All you're gonna do is go to this website called Canva. It's literally canva.com, and it's free, and you can just sign up on Google. I just made a fake Google account and then just signed up through that, but you can do whatever you want. Then you're gonna go to create a design, and then you're gonna scroll down to where it says YouTube channel art. So not YouTube thumbnail, but YouTube channel art. You click that, and it literally just opens it up. It's all the right dimensions, it's all like that, and then you can just scroll and choose anything that you want. So you can just choose a random template, or you can make it from scratch. Some of them you have to pay for, but just don't use those because there's so many great free ones. And then you're gonna wanna add like your name or anything like that. And then what I was saying before is you can add some sort of like channel description, or maybe you can talk about just a little blurb about your October challenge that you're trying to do for Ingrid. Maybe you can say, hi Ingrid, welcome to my channel. I don't know, but you could also put your email below it. So that's what I would also recommend doing, is adding your email on the channel banner so that you can see it. Now, just so you know, this whole big section is going to be uploaded for your channel banner, but only the skinny section in the middle is actually gonna be seen. So don't put a bunch of stuff from top to bottom, it's only the skinny section. And it also shows up on a phone or on a tablet differently, so you're not gonna wanna pass this border that they already have set up that for the name and for the email, where it's just this like blue border around, just so you know. Then once you're done making your channel banner, all you have to do is just go to download and then make it into a JPEG, small or whatever size, just choose JPEG, and then download it. And then it'll just download that JPEG in the perfect size that you need. Boom, here it is, pops right up. Once you download it, then you're just gonna go back to your YouTube page and you're gonna click on the pencil sign again. And instead of edit links, you're gonna do edit channel art. So mine's unavailable, I don't know why, but yours is gonna be totally fine. And all you do is you literally just upload your picture that you just downloaded. And you'll be able to kind of like crop and size, but honestly, it's gonna be the perfect size, so you're gonna be okay. And that's basically it. I mean, I don't think there's anything else. Oh, actually wait, I noticed that on your Instagram, your YouTube video is linked in your description, but it's just your singing reel. I don't know if you wanna keep it like that, you totally can, it's awesome. But if you did wanna link it just to the main page of your YouTube channel, all you have to do is just go to your YouTube channel and literally just copy and paste under the link. So don't go to a specific video and click share and then copy the link, but instead actually do it from the main page under home of your main YouTube channel. So that way, if somebody clicks on that link, it'll bring them to the home screen of your YouTube channel, but because you have a channel trailer, it'll also play that initial video automatically. So you'll be on the home page and they'll also be watching the video and it'll be great. Anyway, that's all I have for you. I hope that was helpful. I hope that wasn't extremely confusing. I hope that was helpful in some capacity. If you have any more questions, ask me. But other than that, good luck with everything. I'll be praying for you and I hope that you get cast. I know you'll get cast. You'll totally get cast. But anyway, yeah, goodbye.